In this video, we're going to share with you the unboxing and setup of the Weber 2000 outdoor grill, and we're starting right now. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to another video. My name is Aaron with ThreeTailsRV.com. If this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing because we are dedicated to helping you with your RV. We provide you with RV accessory reviews, DIY projects, tips, tricks, and other creative stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's topic. All right, so let's get this unboxed. We have a pan. We have a bag with the knobs. Grease tray, grease on there. We have the instruction manual, cooking methods and cooking guides, cooker arms, and the cooker itself. And in the bottom, we have the grill. Alright, for this first part, we're going to put the handle on the lid. So we're going to turn it upside down. One of the provided screws. Place it in the hole. Put the accessory cap over the top of that. Repeat on the other side. And for the next part, we're just going to take a screwdriver. Right now. Now we're going to take the provided pin and locker, slide the pin into the hole, just like that. For the next step, we're going to attach the knob to the post, right? Slide it on, line everything up. It is going to push in because that's what starts the gas. It's in the off position here. You push in a little bit, and there's your selection. All the grates. Then the last piece is the dirt pan. It just slides in. And it actually locks into position. Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you haven't, head over to ThreeTailsRV.com where you will find more posts and projects over there. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you on our next video.